Check the alignment on section 3. The tolerance is critical here.
Confirmed. The laser calibration looks good.
Ensure the tension is exactly 20 Newton meters.
Confirmed. The alignment looks perfect on this sheet.
Check the edge here, near the core.
Looks clean. The weave is perfect.
The finish on this batch is perfect.
Yes, the new settings worked well.
Check the pressure on chassis 7. Make sure it's secure before we start the cycle.
Pressure is stable. Initiating sequence now.
The tolerances on this batch are tighter than expected. Keep an eye on the coolant levels.
Ensure the torque is exactly 35 Newton meters on that bolt.
Confirmed, 35.
All tolerances are within specification. The torque on the manifold bolts is confirmed.
Check the alignment on cylinder 3.
Looks good from here. Torque is steady. The pressure readings are stable across all parameters.
Good. Make sure to note the temperature differential on the report.
The micrometers show a deviation of 0.05 here.
Yes, but the laser scan confirms the tolerance is within spec on the screen.
Witness the fusion of raw power and exquisite design. The gleaming white supercar, waiting to redefine your driving experience.
This one is within tolerance.
Confirmed. The surface roughness is perfect.
This tolerance is slightly off on the leading edge.
Yes, I see that. It exceeds the maximum deviation. We need to reject this batch.
Confirmed measurement is 42.02 millimeters.
Automated sequence engaged. Applying Rosso Corsa layer synchronization complete. Optimal finish achieved.
Welcome to the heart of Ferrari manufacturing. The Rosso Corsa finish glides into the oven, where precision
All indicators are green. We have achieved maximum output.
The V8 is performing above projections. Excellent results.
The torque on this connection point feels slightly off.
Let me check that with a wrench. Yes, adjusting now.
This is where the magic happens. The signature Rosso Corsa finish, applied with surgical precision.
The torque is set to 25 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Piston alignment is perfect.
The torque curve looks stable at 5,000 RPM.
Yes, and the cooling system is holding steady.
Cooling efficiency is optimal.
Look at the delta on cylinder 3.
Adjusting the fuel map now. We are clear for the next sequence.
Horsepower looks good, but let's optimize the torque curve here.
Application sequence initiated. Base coat consistency confirmed. Maintaining optimal environmental parameters for a flawless finish.
The scan data correlates perfectly with the CAD model.
All points green, ready for sign-off on this section.
Check the torque on the wheel hub again.
It's calibrated, ready for assembly.
Millimeter accuracy confirmed. Proceeding to the next stage.
Double-check the connection point on the main harness.
Confirmed. All modules are secure and routed correctly. Ensure the main harness is secured before running the diagnostics.
Confirmed. All connections are tight.
Torque the caliper bolts to spec, then let's check the ride height calibration.
Working on the torque now. The sensor reading is stable.
We are seeing minor vibration on the Z-axis.
Adjusting the feed rate now.
The meticulous application process ensures a flawless finish. Every curve is treated with precision before the final inspection.
I'm seeing a slight deviation here on the trailing edge of the aluminum.
Let's flag that for calibration before it moves to assembly.
Gap tolerance is within spec, 0.2 millimeters.
Confirmed. The finish is absolutely flawless.
The tolerance on this cut is within spec.
Good. Log it and move it to the staging area. We're running low on the woven composites.
We need to adjust the tolerances on the intake manifold shown here.
The current batch is within spec, but I agree for the next iteration.
The stitching on the Alcantara looks flawless.
Agreed. All the console switches respond perfectly. The carbon fiber weave is immaculate.
Pressure levels look stable at the A-pillars.
Check the rear seal on the passenger side. Sensor readings are fluctuating.
Confirmed. Adjusting flow rate now. The aerodynamics hold up even at maximum spray.
Data confirms minimal water intrusion at high velocity.
Panel gap measurement is precisely on target.
Flawless stitching here on the dashboard. Run the final light sequence check.
Roger that.
Keep it steady at 200 kilometers per hour.
Copy that. Monitoring the torque output now.
The alignment gauge reads 0.02.
Acceptable. Move to the next station.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing factory tours.